These alarm sounds apply to the fire engine W2-CO-10X and WCOB-SN-1. If the red LED is flashing once every 5 seconds, the sound emitted is 4 beeps repeated. This means dangerous levels of CO detected. Please follow emergency procedures. If the amber LED is flashing once per minute, there is 1 chirp per minute in sync with the LED flashes. This means low battery, end of life. If the product is still under warranty, contact technical support for advice. If the product is no longer under warranty, please replace immediately. If the amber LED is flashing once per minute, the sound emitted is 1 chirp once per minute, but not in sync with the LED flashes. This means sensor fault. If the product is still under warranty, please contact technical support for advice. If the product is no longer under warranty, please replace immediately. If the green LED is flashing every minute, the alarm is silent. This means normal operating mode. No action required. Please regularly test your alarms and advise friends and family to do the same. Thank you.